Hello everyone, I'm Wei Shan, a PhD student from Jeffrey Chia School of Medicine and Health Science, Monash University, Malaysia. Today I will be introducing a keystone gut bacterium, CHRISTENSENELLA MINUTA, a potential biotherapeutic agent for obesity and associated metabolic diseases. Gut microbiome is a collection of trillions of microbes including virus, fungi, bacteria, and other microorganisms. These microbes live in your digestive tract and are altered throughout the lifetime based on environmental factors, dietary intake, and host genetics. It also plays a crucial role in maintaining host health and overall well-being. However, the disruption and imbalance of microbial diversity might lead to several metabolic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, obesity, and inflammatory bowel disease. For the past decades, most traditional probiotics such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium are widely used for gut microbiota modulation. However, they only target the general subhealthy population with inconsistent therapeutic efficacy. Recently, next-generation probiotics are introduced for microbiome-based therapeutics to overcome the limitation of traditional probiotics. Hereby, CHRISTENSENELLA MINUTA will be discussed due to its potential therapeutic application in human health. CHRISTENSENELLA MINUTA is a rod-shaped bacterium with dipole ends. It is strictly anaerobic, non-motile, gram-negative, and does not form endospore. Taxonomically, C. minuta is the first member of the CHRISTENSENELLAceae family and it belongs to the phylum Firmicutes, the class Clostridia, and the order Clostridiales. Some studies reporting that CHRISTENSENELLAceae is the most highly heritable taxon that is strongly correlated with leanness and gut metabolism. In numerous studies, C. minuta has been repeatedly associated with its anti-obesity potential. Following are some proposed mechanisms where C. minuta play a therapeutic anti-obesity role. Firstly, short-chain fatty acid produced by C. minuta enhance the browning of white adipose tissue, which promote lipolysis. Secondly, C. minuta renormalize gut microbiome composition by balancing the ratio between Firmicutes to bacteroidetes. In terms of lipid metabolism, C. minuta promote thermogenesis and reduce hepatic lipid accumulation in brown adipose tissue. C. minuta also promote a high-level expression of bile salt hydrolysis (BSH), resulting in the stimulation of fatty acid oxidation while inhibiting triglyceride and hepatic fatty acid production. Lastly, C. minuta enhance intestinal barrier integrity by regulating the tight junction assembly through the activation of AMP-activated protein kinase (AMPK) to prevent gut leakiness that contribute to body weight gain. Next, the anti-inflammatory activity of C. minuta was demonstrated by inhibiting the NFK beta signaling pathway and the secretion of pro-inflammatory cytokine interleukin-8 and interleukin-1 beta. Another study also showed that when mice were supplemented with C. minuta, the interleukin-23R protective coding variant was reported to increase, thereby protecting the mice against Crohn's disease. Huang Qi Ling Hua San, composed of 4 Chinese herbs as stated, is a specially designed TCM formula to treat diabetes at the same time and enrich the population of C. minuta in gut microbiome. And the mechanism of anti-diabetic property of C. minuta are promoting GLP-1 secretion to stimulate insulin resistance, improving glycolipid metabolism, regulate glucose homeostasis, inhibiting glucose absorption by suppressing the expression of SGLT1 and GLUT5 receptor in intestinal glucose transport. In conclusion, C. minuta displays many potential health benefits and can be a promising candidate for the treatment of various metabolic diseases including obesity, inflammatory bowel disease, and type 2 diabetes. In particular, CHRISTENSENELLA can pave the way for personalized medicine or therapies based on the gut microbiome. Here are the list of the references used, and this review paper has been published in a Scopus Index Top 10% journal. Thank you for listening and the opportunity to join this forum.